Hi everyone, we're going to make these China leaves using craft paper. We are folding this printed paper here. First fold it and make a triangular shape and tuck the paper inside. Now press it. After this we're going to make 5 such shapes and paste all of them one after another using glue. Now roll this paper, make a stick and look, it's ready. Let's make these flowers using craft paper. We have folded this square paper into half. Now make multiple fold and cut a triangular shape. Open it, you will get a pentagon here. Again fold it from its sides. Now we are going to fold it from its top and bottom, and you will also get a mini pentagon at the center of it. Now press it and make a star shape like this. Now start folding it from its corners and gently open it like we are doing here and flip it. Now we are going to give it shape like this. We are going to fold the paper from its back side and give the petal shape, and your flower is ready. We are going to make this mini piggy bank, so let's get started. First we are going to fold this printed craft paper from its diagonals. Make 2 folds from its horizontal and vertical side. Open it and again start folding it from the corners. Here we are going to make a box, so fold it again, open it and press it from its sides, and look, it is ready. We're going to make these mini containers, so let's get started. We're going to fold this floral printed craft paper from its diagonals. Again fold it into half. Here we are going to make the crease. Now gently fold it and make a box and keep it aside. Take another piece of paper. Now we are going to make the lid for the box, so fold it from its sides like this. Again open it. Here we are going to make the crease, so gently fold it and tuck the paper inside like this. Flip it and fold it from its corners. Make 4 triangles. Again flip it. Now we are going to press the corners downwards like this. After this we are going to open it and gently fold it like this by flipping it and tugging the paper, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.